in the question we have given في सवाल मौजूद कीमा हगो x1 x صفر 27 a 17 17 c 43 m 100. Okay, we have given the value of x0 equal to 27, a equal to 17, c equal to 43, m is equal to 100. We have to generate the sequence of integers and then we have to find out the random numbers. And also, how we will find out the random numbers? We will Ri equal to xi divided by m. I will discuss it later, no problem. First of all, we will generate the sequence of numbers. As you know, the equation again I am writing the same thing plus c mod m. The step number one. In every question you have to start from 0. कीमा I दखल सिफर बदल I दखल सिफर. We have to put the value of I equal to 0 in the equation. If you put I equal to 0 plus 1, 1. A 0 plus c mod m. Now what is the value of A? 17. What is of value of x0? 27. What is the value of c? 43 mod m. 17 multiplied by 27 plus 43 equal to this is 502. खमसा मिया इतने आधा हिसाब mod मिया. Now, what is this Amalia mod? What is this operation mod? You have all studied this in programming, in mathematics. This is same like Taksim, Gisma. Okay. This is remainder. Remainder is 2. This is called Al-Baqi also. So, Al-Baqi come 2. Yani x1 एक आधा कीमा अमलिया बात 2. Now, step number 2. I will tell you shortcut also to get this value. Don't worry, just wait. Now, I equal to, next step is I equal to 1. We will put I equal to 1 in the equation. So, I 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Ax1 plus c mod m. I have put the value of I is 1 in the equation. Now, what is the value of A? 17. What is the value of x1? 2. What is the value of c? 43 mod m. What is m? 100. Okay. So if you divide this by 17 multiplied by 2 plus 43, सबोशरीन दर इतने जमा तलाता अरबीन, what you will सबो सबाइन mod मिया. अब जल सबो सबाइन मिया सिफर मर्रात बाकी कम अल बाकी कम सबो सबाइन कीमा x2 अंदर सबो सबाइन. नाउ सेम स्टेप 3. स्टेप 3 I इक्वल टू,
इस पे रख दो पेपर को, इस वाले पेज पे, इधर इस पे बहुत किताब पे.
नाउ I इक्वल टू 2. Now we will take I equal to 2. Put 2 in the equation. यानी 2 plus 1 3. x3 equal to ax2 plus c mod m. Okay. Now, what is the value of a? 17. What is the value of x2? x2 value you computed 7 plus C. What is the value of C? 43 mod 100. Okay, so if I multiply this and by 43, the value will be 1352 mod. Now again same 135200. Wahid marra hada. Okay, if you do this, okay,
13
52
बचेगा.
1352. Okay, so 13 times 1300. Al baki kam 52. This is called remainder or al baki. Now you see what is the value of x1 is 27. X naught value is given in the question. Hada mawjood fi sawal. Now you generated the value of x1 2. What is the value of x2? 77. What is the value of x3? 52. You can generate more values also. Now, how? As I told you, we have to find the random numbers from the sequence.
उसी पे लिख दो साइड में
We
बॉक्स
have
बना
to
के.
find out the value of random numbers. You know, Ri equal to xi divided by m. Hada muadla. And I equal to 0, 1, 2. Now, put I equal to 1. R1 equal to x1 divided by m. What is the value of x1? 2. What is the value of m? 100. So, the first random number that we produced is 0.02. Same, put I equal to 2 in this equation. So, R2 equal to x2 divided by m. 77 divided by 100 equal to 0.77. Okay, like this, you know, R3. If you put I equal to 3 in the equation, R3 equal to x3 divided by m. So, what is the value of x3? 52 divided by 100. Random number 3. So we will repeat this. We will see all the steps. See, this is the method, linear convolutional method. Okay, and this is the value of I, 0, 1, 2, 3. We started with I equal to 0. Step 1, I equal to 0 we put in the equation. Now in the equation we put the values. A equal to 17, x naught, x for sub 20, c 43, mod m 100. If you calculate this value, this become 502 mod m, mod 100.
शॉर्टकट बता देना आप.
Okay, this is the value of 2. Next, how I calculated this, you see, this operation is same like division or you taksim or gisma, but you will get the remainder. This the remainder value is called mod. Now next, I will become 1. Put I equal to 1 in the equation. You get the value of x2. Then you put I equal to 2 in the equation. Now you put the values, you get x3. You have the value of x0, x1, x2, x3. Now if you divide these values by 100, you will get the value of R1, R2, R3. Now I want to show you the shortcut, because you may have problem in calculating random number. Mod. What is the shortcut? Because sometimes you are not able to do the division also manually, and also you are not, sometimes you don't know how to use calculator. So suppose as the first value you computed is 500 to mod m
And-
mod 100. Okay, now khali taqseem 500. If you divide 500 2 divided by 100, what will be the result? 0.02. khali hada fasla. What is the second you calculated? Second random number, maslan 77 mod Mia. You are confused how it khali taqseem 77 divided by 100, what you will get? 0.77. khali ada. Please remove this decimal. You will. This is the shortcut. Okay. So
बता दो अशरा वाला बता दो 77 mod 10 भी बता दो इसमें थोड़ा
okay. Now suppose Sabain mod 10 means 77 divided by 10. What you will get? What is the Saba fasla Saba? Yani baad fasla rakam khali hada 7. This will be the result. This is the shortcut. Actually, modulus, when you apply modulus operation, you get the remainder. It is same like division, but the result is remainder. So we will discuss some more problems. We will give you some exercises. So I hope that you have understand this, and we will give you more examples so that you will have a better understanding of this. Okay.
कर दिया स्टार्ट
Now we will discuss another example. We will take different values and we will apply the same linear congruential method.